welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be organizing my drawer today. Right now I'm just going through everything, seeing what should belong and what should not belong in the drawer. Those were these perfumes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think they have them at Walmart and Target. I really love them. I got the rest of that lotion, use every last drop. That's a bag of jewelry that I put in my jewelry box, took out of the drawer. So right now I'm going through all my lotions. Those are two face masks that I have. I have a lot of papers, random things. That was from Halloween. I have jewelry boxes. That was a pen I had. A Mary Kay charcoal mask I have. That's a raincoat poncho. And the pink thing was a massager. Works wonders. Throwing away some trash. A shoestring. Have my contacts. And I have a lot of little containers as well. One I had black charcoal in for brushing your teeth. Another I had some shea butter that was really expired. So I'm gonna clean those out. I'm not gonna leave those in my drawer. And that right there is a stress reliever toy thing I've had forever since my childhood. I just like to keep it around, it gives me comfort. It's a flashlight keychain. And so now I'm just cleaning up all that's left in my drawer, bobby pins, trash, etc. And I'm going to take a wipe and wipe it all down. Fan it out, fan it out. And now I'm gonna put all my lotions together. What you just saw me lay down was some foot padding for when you go to work. Some comfort. I haven't used them yet. And that was a travel bag that I have purchased. It has labels for conditioner, shampoo, and all that. I'm gonna put the perfumes in there, and I added the mouthwash as well. And there was like barely nothing left in that one, so yep, just use it up. Might as well. Oh, so funny. And so now I'm doing the jewelry boxes. Let me know down in the comment section, are you supposed to keep your jewelry boxes or do you throw them away? Same with shoe boxes, because most people throw those away. And oh my gosh, if y'all did not see earlier in that glasses case, I had some eyelashes. And I was like, yep, let me keep them. And those are 3 packs of cotton pads that I have for applying toner to my face. Each of them are like $1 at Target, so you need to go get you some. There's 69 in a pack. And I have that red thing was a lint roller. I was gonna see if I was gonna put my black silk scarves in there, but I ended up not doing that. And my mirror, I was trying to figure out where should I place it. I don't think I could put it in the drawer because it was too big. And the blue thing is from when I graduated. It's a bell, and now we're all done. Everything is organized. I'm really glad that I was able to clean this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.